Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this haloed look using the Esmerelda II palette that I got in my November 20 BoxyCharm, and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. You even have some like really pretty neutrals, some really pretty reds, and a really pretty, that is this color here. A deep green, that is this one here, and even this really pretty purple here. And yeah, so if you like the look I created, please continue watching, and thanks guys. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump into that look. I have my eyes primed and ready to go. I'm gonna go in with the color here and put that all over my lids. Now I'm going to go in with the color here and work that into my crease from my inside to my outside, kind of up a little bit to about here on my brow bone. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the color here, and I'm going to work that all the way across my crease. Now I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and dip back into that same color here. I'm going to really work that in circle motions. So what I want to do now is I want to go in with this brown color here, and I really want to work that into my lower lid here to really deepen that up. So the next color I'm gonna grab is this color here, and I'm gonna use my finger and grab that, and then go right in the middle of my eyelid. With that brown here, and just blend the edges ever so softly. Now with a small fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back in with this color here and work that on my lower lash line. With a smaller smudging brush, I'm gonna dip into that brown here and work that on the outside of my lower lash line. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and step off camera and get some eyeliner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with my eyes done. I have Babor eyeliner on the top and the bottom waterline, followed with the Tarte mascara Man Eater, which is my favorite. Yes, so this is what I have so far. It's absolutely beautiful, great for holidays, and this look is so pretty. I'm loving this palette that I got in the BoxyCharm so far. So yes, this is the Esmerelda II palette that I got in my BoxyCharm for November of 2020. Yes, I am going to now step back off camera and come back with the full finished look. So go ahead and stay tuned. All right guys, I'm finished with my look. I have my full face on, and this is the look I created with the color palette that I got in my 2020 November BoxyCharm. I did finish the look with a ColourPop Luxie lipstick in the color Fatal. That is this one. They did do this in their Dark Blooms collection. It is one of my favorite lipsticks for the fall. And this is the look I used using the Esmerelda II palette from my BoxyCharm. It's a beautiful, I'm absolutely obsessed. All right guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below.